I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by getting the Vivo T3 Pro ready. This matters because Bluetooth range and power affect signal quality. Once done, open the Circle app and choose the T3 Pro from your paired devices so the app can index sensors. Make sure the unit sits 1-2 meters from your phone and away from large metal objects. This reduces interference. Now tap Search and watch the status indicator. If it spins, the device is negotiating a connection and gathering live telemetry for the next step. You now engage Circle Search mode and choose an appropriate sensitivity, medium to start, because too low misses events and too high adds noise. Watch the live waveform and metadata feed. When you see patterns of interest, tap to flag timestamps so you can review them later. Make iterative adjustments. Increase gain for low signals, enable bandpass filtering to remove hum, and move the probe slightly to optimize contact. By doing this, you refine detection accuracy before exporting or recording final data. You finish by stopping the search and reviewing the flagged segments. This is where you decide what to save or discard. Once satisfied, export the selected clips as CSV or the Circle native package so analysis tools can read timestamps and metrics. If something goes wrong, like a dropped connection, first reboot the T3 Pro and your phone, then repair Bluetooth and check for firmware updates in the app. Most issues resolve with a restart and the latest firmware installed, which improves stability and.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.